plenty of puzzle pieces. Oh, very nice. Is that the dog? That's right, dog. Oh, that's a horse. Nee! Which one is that? Oh, that's the dog. You're right. It is the dog. Woof, woof. That's all right. That's a horse up there in that picture. Nee! Yeah, and there's a horse in that picture too. Horse. And horse. You're right. Both pictures have horses. What does the horse say? Somehow I don't think it's da. Oh, do you hear Chloe? Here she is. Oh, say hi, Chloe. Isn't she a nice dog? Dog. Oh, did you find her ball? You took her ball away. Can you throw that ball to Chloe? Throw that ball to Chloe. Throw the ball. Good throw! Just straight to Chloe. Oh, your beloved dog.